Storytime with RaSha. Let's start. Hello guys, today we are back with a new story about an elephant and a crow. Once there was a strong storm in the forest. Tina Elephant was going back to his home hurriedly. Suddenly, he heard the cryings of a baby crow. Help! Help! The baby bird was scared as the branch holding its nest was swinging in the storm. Tina held the branch with her trunk and kept the baby safe until the storm stopped. Yo-Yo, the mother crow, flew back after the storm and saw Tina helping her baby. She thanked Tina. Yo-Yo and Tina became good friends. Every day they saw each other and spent time together. One day, Tina heard a cry. It was Tina, her daughter. She had a severe pain in her stomach. She was crying a lot. Tina did not know what to do. She was scared. Then, Yo-Yo flew to the doctor monkey to call her immediately. The doctor came and checked Tina. She told that Tina had a stomach infection. She gave Tina 7 tablets to take, one on each day. Ew! The medicine is so bitter. I cannot eat it, cried Tina. Tina did not take the medicine since could not get better. Tina was too much worried about how to give her medicine. Yo-Yo gave an idea. She suggested to put the tablet in an apple as Tina loved apples. Tina thanked Yo-Yo for such a great plan. Yo-Yo kept 7 tablets in 7 apples, 1 apple for each day with a peak. Then she covered the apples with honey to balance the bitterness of the medicine. Tina gave Tina an apple every day for 7 days. She recovered very soon. Tina thanked Yo-Yo for her help. The moral of the story is always help others. You never know how it comes back to you. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more.